How to set reminder with alarm on iOS. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into your App Store. In the search bar, search for reminder, and then click on it. Right over here, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. If not, click on update and update it. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Scroll down to the bottom and then click on apps. Search for the application reminder. Once you find it, simply move into it. In this page, you should see the feature or the option of alarm. If you see that option, then simply toggle it on. Once you have turned on, go back and head over to your application reminder. Once you're in the home page, click on New Reminder at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now enter the title and the notes related to the reminder that you're going to set. And in this page, you should also find the option to set the alarm. If you couldn't find the option, it might be because your device is not updated to iOS 26. So first of all, make sure to update it to iOS 26 and then these options will be available to you. Then you'll be able to set the alarm as well. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.